Today's video is one for teachers, but if you're also an adult who's learning to swim, tune in because it's going to help you figure out your own swimming and how to be your own best teacher. But I want to talk to you today about how to help your students find comfort in the water, to know the difference of when they're comfortable versus when they're tense, how to help them in this zone. One of the biggest things I hear from teachers is I just can't get adults to relax. Why won't they relax? If they would only relax, then they could do the stroke. Then they could look good. So this is a really important thing as teachers to know how to help our students with. Because you probably know if you tell somebody, relax, it doesn't help them relax. It's this command. When we're commanding ourselves, sometimes it can work. Sometimes we can tell ourselves, all right, just relax, come in. Sometimes that works, but not all the time. Oftentimes when we tell somebody to relax, they go, okay, I'm relaxed. Is this relaxed? No, you're holding your arms. Oh, okay, how should I hold my arms? Is this how you hold your arms to be relaxed? No, this is how I hold my arms to be relaxed. No, I hold my arms like this to be relaxed. Ah! I don't know how I'm supposed to hold my arms to be relaxed. Wait a second. Here is the key right there in that sentence. I don't know how to hold my arms to be relaxed. Being relaxed means we're not holding anything. This is the key component right here. It's very challenging because when you show up to teach somebody swimming or somebody shows up to learn to swim, we're thinking activity, that I'm supposed to be doing an action. An action in and of itself does not mean relaxed. Relaxed is not an action. Relaxed is an undoing of action. So this is one of the key things, is to bring that point to our students and to start to differentiate, not between being relaxed and not being relaxed, but holding a muscle, having tension, activating our body. This takes us out of being relaxed. So understanding and feeling in the body when I put my arms somewhere, by definition, I am not relaxed. This is an arm that has tension in it. I'm using muscles. So as a teacher, I'm constantly scanning the students to see, okay, where do I see muscles activated? Any part of the body that is straight or a purposeful angle has muscles at play. Anytime if somebody's in a front float, the eyes would be looking down. It's the equivalent, my eyes are looking straight forward right now because my head's just resting on top of my shoulders. I am holding it some. If I stopped holding it, my head would slump down. It would be weird for the video. But when somebody's doing a front float, if they are looking to see where they're going, they have tension in their neck, all the way down their spine, out their bottom into their legs. Maybe you start talking to them about kicking. The problem doesn't originate with the legs. It originates up here in the neck, holding the neck. So our job as teachers is to help our students by body scanning with them, by noticing with them, by bringing their attention inward to see, can you tell, do you notice the parts of your body that you're holding muscles? Most likely they can find some of them, but they can't find all of them. And this is an investigation that we do together with our students. Now, why is this important? This is so important because when people get tired, it's because they're doing too much. They're not relaxing. They're not letting go of tension. We can't let go of tension unless we can feel that we're doing the tension. We're doing the work. So taking a step back from telling people skills, because when we tell people skills, we're telling them to do actions, which means they cannot relax. Taking a step back and seeing and being curious with our students what muscles are being activated. We could activate them on purpose and then let go. When we have this kind of control over muscles doing work or not doing work, we get to choose being relaxed or we get to choose being at tension. There's times you want both. But we have to help our students be in charge of that by tuning in to what's happening to their body. Hey, if you're interested in knowing more about how to teach this way, how to teach from calm within. This is our name, Calm Within, Adult Swim. It comes from inside and it builds out to everything that our students do in the water. If this is something you'd like to know more about, there's a course for you down in the show notes. Make sure you click to subscribe. And by the way, students, if there's any students still watching, there's one down there for you too. Aloha!